I enrolled in Dr. Reese's super gingival minimally invasive residency course, and before quarantine I was able to go into his classroom to take all these courses, and so I was so excited. But then quarantine happened and we weren't able to go into the classroom, and he found a way to successfully bring the classroom to our office. So as you can see, I'm walking around De Leon Dentistry and I took the class here. So this was my classroom today. It's a lot smaller than our usual classroom in LA, but I was able to find a cabinet to set my laptop on and put my workstation together. He had us log into our Zoom account, classroom, and he also sent us this amazing camera so that not only could we see him doing his live lecture, but he could also see us working on our preparations, and was able to give us so much tips and advice even from not being physically here.
Wow, I see that all of you guys are working. Look at that. You know, I see some of you are not sharing your cameras, but I'm gonna go ahead and visit Dr. Pham now.
No, I haven't done the facial bevel yet.
Okay.
So next, I'll do that.
All right, good job. Yeah, that looks really good.
Of course, he sent us all the material we needed to do the preparation for today, and he sent us his PowerPoint slides for future reference. That way, if we ever need to refer back to anything. And along with that comes a big box where everything came in, but we always get samples. And that concludes my little behind the scenes tour of my class today. So I'll be back here tomorrow from 9 to 5. Taking the day 2 of onlays. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited about this new way of learning.